Okay, hello everyone. So basically, you can see here price gapped higher since Friday's close here, and now it's just within Friday's range. Haven't tested Friday's value area high and point of control so far. If we see the daily chart here with the Bollinger Band, you can see basically since this nice aggressive intraday down move, we still haven't tested these lows here with a volume spike. We did pull back on Friday, now gapped up, so we need to see generally today if we have a balanced day or if we have a day towards the upside. In case if we see also the 30-minute chart here, you can see this is kind of stretch for the short term, and you can see every time as probably aware of Bollinger Bands failed at the upside. Now we're trading within, so perhaps we have a pullback towards 12,100 and a gap fill, then eventually towards the lower Bollinger Band, and we need to see this low here at this aggressive sell-off lows at 12,043 or so. So if price for any reason goes down there today, we should look for initial support here. Also looking to see in terms of the short opportunities, we need to see at the cash open in a few minutes if price goes up to yesterday's highs and fails to extend higher and hold higher and pulls back here, we'll try to go short against this level. In anticipation, price will go towards 12,100 and tags Friday's point of control and goes towards the gap fill here. So let's give it some time to see the intention of the market this morning. So we had an initial resistance here on VWAP, first minute of cash trading. Let's give it some time to see. We'd like to short this at 54, see if we have a retest here. Let's give some time to see how this can trade now. Testing initial balance low here. Let's see. We like to see, this is bounce here so far, first test support. We like to see this having a rebound here and then failing, then go short. So let's see the intention of the market this morning. Yeah, we're going short at 50s here, short at 50s, just at retest of Friday's high. Short at 50s here, let's give it some time to see. This is the retest I was waiting for. Of course, this can spike further upside now as everybody will try to short here, I guess. So let's give some time to see the reaction. Hopefully it didn't get too early short here. But you can see the first attempt market to break the lows and immediately bounced here. So we like to see the 30-minute Bollinger Band here, and this is a great level to go short as this could be a retest and then generally price can pull back. Of course, there is always a possibility price can extend further up and further up. So far shorted 50s here. We'll also like to see what price will do at initial balance high. If for any reason goes there and fails, this is another nice short trading location at 83s or so. So basically exactly as anticipated here, a very nice trade since 50s entry, price just 11 points higher here, failed and sold off miserably. You can see here the 30-minute chart as said earlier, perhaps this can retest here the higher Bollinger Bands, then reverse towards the inside the range again. So basically price just collapsed like 100 points for the first hour of cash trading. Here you can see just that Friday's lows now. How nice this trade would have been if held so far. As anticipated here you can see the 30-minute on the Bollinger Band tested the highs, then all the way down towards the lower Bollinger Band. Of course this happened very fast here. So let's see now. To be aware here, the bigger picture were just at previous weekly lows. So far price moved away from previous week's value area. Now this is a good trading location for a short-term long, although we'll prefer to see a retest and then try to decide if go long or not. As first hour of cash trading, we have 61, like 108 points for first hour of cash trading. This is exhausted for the short term, so we need to focus at the range of these. Today's range are high and low here for the first hour. If we see a retest and failure here, we will definitely go long. And anticipation price will rebound up to 100s. Although perhaps this is more heavy here, so better stay cautious and patient and see any kind of retest here. Let's see. Basically, today is a very good example of if you see the market very early to gapping up, do not position yourself in anticipation of continuation of this direction, because this is likely to fail here. This is exactly what happened today. That's why I was waiting for price to go to retest Friday's highs, because if it was about to fail here, it will fail around this area. This is exactly what happened. Although now we have Friday's both highs and lows breakout and faked out so far, so perhaps this can rebound here at like 40 points or so. Although, as I said earlier, we would like to wait a little bit. Also, the daily chart here, basically we're expecting this beginning of this downtrend here, but we need to see what price will do at this flash down move a few days ago, previous week, at 12,050s or so. So perhaps this is a good area to initiate a long position, at least for the short term. Let's see. Initiated a long trade at 70s here, just against 60s, this consolidation low. So anticipating a rebound here. Let's see, although this is not exhausted that much, so long 70s. Early trade here stopped out for 10 points. Okay, so as I said earlier, better be patient and see how this can develop now. We have a retest at the lows here. This is what I was talking about earlier. Better see a retest, although we haven't managed to place a long here. Also lower Bollinger Band here, first touch, and short-term bounce here. This is a rejection basically to hold higher prices, so too early to judge this because it's the beginning of the week here and the beginning of the trading session today. If this fails down here, this will tank further down very hard. This is what I'm anticipating. Otherwise, this will see just a failure to go lower, then we see aggressively rally higher. A short will have to cover here, and market will likely squeeze them higher. So better give it some time and see. So basically, price held the retest at the lows here, got long here at 70s, scaled out first target, now consolidating sideways. Would like to see if this can go up to VWAP here. Okay, so hello again, here a few hours later. You can see basically fully downtrend day here, price far away from volume weighted average price and just consolidating, making new lows, consolidating, making new lows. So we need to see if this style of trading for today will continue and price will go even lower below 12,000. If it goes lower, and have a look on the weekly profile here, you can see basically rejected straight away to stay inside previous weekly value area. Now broke down at previous weekly low. Next area of support is this breakout week here, if I split this. So as soon as we made a multi-year high, price now just reversing all the way. So next key support is 11,913, which is this week's the breakout week's lows here. So we need to see if price goes there, what it does for a potential bounce at the short term. Next is 11,850, then 11,780 84s. So market changed this month from constant low volume grind higher. You can see after this nice bounce here were retraced like most 50% or so. So as I said earlier on the quick and here video, if price goes inside this area, perhaps can go fast towards 900 here. So this is on the way so far. We need to track the US equities for any kind of directional behavior in terms of more downside, or if they have, because they will gap down, perhaps they might trade the gap for a gap fill, which means we'll see a kind of small rebound rally towards VWAP maybe. So we'll see the US Open in 6 minutes. So US cash market just opened here. We would like to see if we reach the lows and we hold support. Although this is very difficult towards the long side, no reason to try to fight this unless we see a nice failure here and then price tries to go higher. So should this tanks further down, we would like to see what it does at 9/10 or so. Of course this is like 80 points lower, but let's give you some time to see the intention here around 12,000 level, if it's a good area to go long here. We'll try to initiate a long position here just to catch this low. To be honest, anticipating a move up to 12,040 short VWAP here. Can also see these previous consolidation lows here, how price retested and now pushing towards new lows. That's why I said this, there's no reason to fight this towards the long side. Better stay out or try to catch a short. So let's see what does at the lows, likely to push even lower here. Let's give you some time to see how far this can extend. If we see the 30-minute Bollinger Bands here, you can see towards the 2.5 standard deviations, 3 standard deviations at 85 here. Of course, this doesn't mean price cannot tank 100 points from here, but considering this as short-term exhaustion levels and every time price kind of bounces here. So if price now goes above 12,000, I will try to go long for the short term. Let's see. Easily the long trade here at 12,002 here, just against this low, anticipating this will eventually goes up towards 12,050s. Of course, this is counter trend trading, but looking for short term exhausters here and try to locate a trade as with a with a more minimum risk possible. So long 12,002s here. This was a fake down at the lows so far. Confirmation for this will be price to go above 12,013s here, this consolidation area. So looking for something like this and then price to move towards volume weighted average price. Nice little fake down. So key level to see if it holds above 12,013s. Scaled out here, first target already at 11s. Now we'll scale out at 26s here. As said earlier, key level to see this previous support, which tended to resistance, to becomes once again support. If we see the 15-minute chart here with volume weighted average price and the value areas, you can see here we have a retest here at the US cash open. Price pushed lower here, now trading above. Of course, this doesn't mean to sell further, but this was a good trading location to go long here just at the lows. Anticipation this will move towards 12,050s or so. So let's see if this happens. Scale out second target here at 18s, straight up here, very nice trading, 16 points so far, 18 points so far into the trade. So we'd like to see if this fake down at the lows will lead us to a move up to volume weighted average price here. Let's see if we see also on the daily chart with the Bollinger Band. We can see we have been this morning up here close to the mid Bollinger Band and now broke down so far this sell-off low here. So if for any reason this fails to extend generally within this week lower than here, we'll see an aggressive short covering rally from here. Of course this is too early to say, but having a look at the bigger time frame levels is a way to go in terms of trading location. So let's give some time to see if this was just a short-term bounce here or if this can develop further up. Very nice breakout here. You can see once broke out this short-term downtrend here, price trading at 36 is very nice long entry at 02s. If we see again the 15-minute chart and the 30-minute chart, you can see, as said earlier, this retest of the lows here, support then immediately higher. Now we need to see if it goes up to VWAP. Also the same scenario here at the lower Bollinger Band, now trading in the middle, perhaps can extend up to 65s or so. If shorts cover further here, we'll see rally up to 56 or so. Let's see SPY as well, trying to fill the gap and above 234s here. Very nice rally. So we just experienced 30 minutes of straight upside. As soon as the US cash market open, we need to see now if this is a rally which is going to be sustained. Price will rally aggressively even above VWAP, as shorts will have to get stopped out here. So would like to hold this position on the way up to 70s or so. So we like to hold this long from 02s all the way up to 70s area. The reason for this is we like to allow the market to trade within this previous consolidation area here and see what it does, if it fails or if it rips straight up. Basically I flattened the long trade here at 46s or so. Perhaps this is too early. Anticipation of this is that price will rally up to 70s or so, but it's okay. Nice trade here long 02s here, 40 plus points. So let's give some time to see what it does at this area here, VWAP and the long first hour of cash trading, if it fails or if it goes and rips straight up. So basically you can see here straight failure to go even on volume weighted average price. Price just failed here as soon as I flattened the long position. Very nice decision. Imagine holding this in anticipation this can go higher and give it all back here. So again seeing some kind of support here at the lows, but this is not good. The fact that it didn't break out this sideways consolidation here is not strong enough to go further up, although very nice quick straightforward trade here. So let's see, this perhaps can make even new lows now. Let's see. Once again support here at this previous consolidation lows, although not interested to go long here, better see what it does at the lows of the day. Perhaps this can just balance at this range here until the European cash close here. So let's see if it goes at the lows. So here we are at the end of European cash trading. You can see basically price respected this previous consolidation area at 13s. Very nice support here for some quick scalps here, 10 points or 15 points or so, although haven't placed any trade apart from this nice one at 02s which scaled out up to 46 or so, straight away trade. This is basically what you need to do with trading, in and out positions, then be patient for the next setup to develop, and also be aware of the timing of the trade, because the fact that we had this nice momentum, you can see the more we went closer to the European cash equity close, the momentum slowed down here. So even if the risk reward is good here, the amount of length of the range for the trade is potentially less, because we're getting less people are taking participation in the market, unless we have very high volatility, which market just rallies like 80 points up and down. If you want to subscribe to the live screen sharing room on DAX and watch every day the live trades I do on time during the market hours, the first hour of cash trading and then US session, and why I'm taking these trades, you can go on my Twitter page here at this name and click this on the pinned tweet here, this link which will prompt you to a PayPal subscription service, which is have a small description here, and the first 2 days is free, then you can have free cancellation if you wish so, and then it's just 19 euros a month. So if you click login here, then this will prompt you to a subscription details, and then you will need to let me know about this so I can send you the password, and so you can be able to log in every day and watch the live screen sharing. Or you can just go to my YouTube channel here, which I upload every day the video after what happened after the European cash market closes, and this is the link here of the everyday recording after the market closes. So this is just free, you can feel free to go here and just watch this.